Hello, I got a test for you. What I got behind me may be the scariest thing ever. And if you don't turn into stone while watching this, you get a cookie.
It's got Santa and Paws, the dog, who's kind of like Stan in my show because he talks. The search for Santa Paws starts right now.
Did you freeze yet? Are you in stone? Are you in stone yet? Because if that doesn't turn you to stone, I'm sure this will. Yes. Oh, yeah. You will love this. Oh, crap, I bet you can see me in the mirror. Hey, guys. Look, so many sparkles in my hair. This is the last time I go to school with a bedhead. Turn on to my next video to see what maybe Twilight Fan can do whenever Bella chooses Edward instead of Jacob. Thanks. Bye. Like and subscribe.